In this video, we'll show you how to fix and prevent your microphone from cutting out on Discord. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. It can be really frustrating when your mic cuts out during a conversation, as important details may be missed. Let's walk through some steps to help resolve this issue. First, try unplugging your microphone and plugging it back in. Sometimes a simple action like this can solve the problem. Next, go to the bottom left of Discord and click on User Settings. From there, scroll down on the left and select Voice and Video. Make sure the correct input device is selected for your microphone. You can also try increasing the input volume to its maximum setting to ensure it's as loud as possible. Scroll down to the Input Sensitivity section. If it's currently set to manual, try switching it to auto and see if that helps. If not, you can switch it back to manual and try adjusting the sensitivity slider. Lowering it makes your mic more responsive and help solve the issue. Hopefully, these steps will fix your microphone cutting out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I look forward to helping you again in the future.